Abaturage nibagira ngo berarikira abanyarwanda beyonjire kutaha mu Uganda mu buhenda amateka bakagura amataxi na no kongera kusiba umucanga cyabo hatine cyo barukorayo bakasiba barukunywa waraji bakisinda bagatandika kurwana. Deus Mugisha meya wa Kashasha Town Council yahamyebi yagira ngo abanyarwanda barukufa kutaha mu ihanga kandi abinji nabahumwira amahigo mugenzi president Habyarimana.
Abanyarwanda eshano bafa kutaha mu Uganda kandi abinji abanyarwanda binji n'abaruje mu mahe aga regime yahore ya Habyarimana mungende turabatina munonga eshano baje kutugwisa kagwe akwa nkati karentre nawo Kashasha titwine police titwine barracks y'amahe
nabashaba President Museveni okubahereza barracks y'amahe na polisi okubarinda ngo ahabwo kubabera rukirire ahabwa bodana n'ekibira cya Echiya.
Hariho one day bakija birukira muntu wito umuntu wawo mu Rwanda bataha mu Uganda barenga abantu 50 bona bine bikwatso ibirwanizo bashoba akwati twatura bakorera kwati nyine mbunda kunwa tinyine ci bashoba hindo bagira ci bagakwa u Rwanda konkwara ngata ya security company imbi munonga
maybe baka reportinga abandi konganyo tinga tunga batuyambe batwereke reference ninga baje bahereze rero to locating when they report
okurigera hari baziriyo byarahanga internal security office muri Kashasha abanyarwanda barukutaho mu ihanga n'ibyo kurwanisa kandi ngwakatera arupoto byo kwerinda na n'istongore cya National Forestry Authority konka baremerwe kugira icyo bakoraho.
Hati report y'abanyarwanda tugiteraga turagisendika mu office zetu za ISO no mu NFA konka no report ato
responsible
kutugaruka muti kuriho anderi hamba arimo ubushuma bwinji nimwe bararisente ezo mbuzo kumeya ya kigamba ni kwebiri so
to the best of my knowledge the security situation in Kashasha is calm. If there are minor isolated incidents of insecurity, let them report to us. We have a police station in Bufundi, which is a few kilometers from Kashasha. I think about 7 or 8.
Amakuru akagasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.